Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basics, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to download NBA Live on mobile. Now this is same for both iOS and Android. Now on your device, go to your App Store. It will be Google Play Store if you are on Android, and it will be the App Store if you are on iOS. Just tap on it to open it, and in the search bar, just type in NBA Live. And the NBA Live mobile basketball application should pop up. Just hit install or get depending on your device. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take some time. Once the download is complete, tap on open to launch the app, or play to just open the app. And that's it. You have downloaded and launched the NBA Live app. Now you can start shooting some hoops right from your device. The game will ask you to confirm your age to begin playing. Just confirm it by putting in your date of birth. Once you have put in your information, just tap on accept. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.